CC appeal bid is rejected. Following the rejection of the SEC's attempt to appeal a split judgment regarding Ripple, the value of XRP increased by as much as 5%. On Wednesday, the worldwide market capitalization of the whole cryptocurrency sector climbed by reach $113 trillion, and then XRP, which was trading for 3%, was the leading cryptocurrency to experience a rally. According to CoinGecko, the price of XRP increased by nearly 5% to $0.5 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Time, following the rejection of the Securities and Exchange Commission's attempt to appeal a partial loss in an ongoing case against Ripple by a federal judge in the United States. The value of the cryptocurrency increased. Additionally, the cryptocurrency experienced an increase in value after Ripple said on Wednesday that its Singapore subsidiary, Ripple Markets APAC, had successfully obtained a payments license to conduct business in the city-state. Failure of the SEC to appeal the XRP case in a brief order that was handed down on Tuesday, District Judge Annalisa Torres stated that the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, did not provide evidence that the appeal would materially advance the ultimate termination of the litigation. For the reasons stated above, the CC's motion for certification of interlocutory appeal is denied, and the SEC's request for a stay is denied as moot, Torres noted in an order that was issued by the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York. In order to resolve the outstanding concerns in the case, the judge has scheduled a trial date for the month of April. The Securities and Exchange Commission may still attempt to appeal the entire case after this trial. For the months of October and November, the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, which is considered to be the most important indicator of feeling in the cryptocurrency market, has a history of performing poorly in the month of September. Hodler risk manager Sergey Gorev, on the other hand, stated in an interview with The Block that Bitcoin showed quite strong dynamics this September, adding more than 3 to its value. The cryptocurrency market shows itself most strongly in November, and the second strongest month during the year is October, added The Economist. For the day on Wednesday, the cryptocurrency with the highest market value was trading at $27,716. This is a 1.4 increase over the previous day. Following the loss of support at $28,000 earlier this week, Bitcoin appears to have regained stability at this level. Thursday, October 3, 2018, on Tuesday, a federal judge said that she would not allow the United States Securities and Exchange Commission to appeal her recent judgment on Ripple Labs. This decision has been interpreted as a significant setback for the regulator in its efforts to regulate cryptocurrency markets. In her ruling dated July 13, United States District Judge Annalisa Torres in Manhattan decided that the sale of Ripple's XRP digital currency on public exchanges was in compliance with federal securities laws. This was because purchasers did not have a reasonable expectation of profit based on Ripple's efforts. Regarding Torres' conclusions regarding programmatic sales of XRP and about other distributions of XRP as a source of payment for services, the Securities and Exchange Commission requested permission to appeal the findings. The SEC stated that an appeal would be significant to a large number of litigation. However, the judge believed that there was no substantial ground for difference of opinion regarding her conclusions, and she did not concur with the notion that an appeal would significantly increase the likelihood of the matter being resolved. In addition, she stated that her conclusion did not contradict the decision made by U.S. District Judge Jed Rakoff in Manhattan on July 31. Rakoff stated that the Securities and Exchange Commission had a plausible claim that the Terra US token issued by Terraform Labs was a security when it was sold on public exchanges. Rakoff was required to accept all reasonable conclusions in favor of the regulator, according to Torres, who stated that Rakoff had been examining Terraform's move to dismiss the SEC lawsuit. On April 23, 2024, a trial is planned to take place in the Ripple prosecution. After market hours, the Securities and Exchange Commission did not immediately respond to calls for comment. In response to inquiries of a similar nature, attorneys representing Ripple, Chief Executive Brad Garlinghouse, and co-founder Chris Larson did not immediately answer. The Securities and Exchange Commission filed a complaint against Ripple in December 2020, accusing the company of illegally generating more than $1 billion through an unregistered securities offering through the sale of XRP. Since a long time ago, the Securities and Exchange Commission has asserted that a large number of digital assets along with stocks and bonds, are securities and that it possesses the authority to regulate them. Its other lawsuits include charges against Coinbase Ove, which opens a new tab, which is the largest cryptocurrency platform in the United States, as well as Binance, which is the third largest cryptocurrency platform in the world. During the month of July, Tors discovered that only a few sales of XRP violated federal securities regulations. The United States District Court for the Southern District of New York has assigned the case Sexy v. Ripple Labs Inc. et al. The number close to Alvarado stated that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission SEC made a settlement offer to Ripple on December 23, 3 years ago. To come into compliance, the SEC would announce to the market that XRP is a security and the market would be given a brief window of opportunity to do so. The offer made by the SEC was declined by Ripple, which stated that XRP does not qualify as a security. For the past decade, Ripple has been engaged in a legal conflict with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) of the United States of America. Chief Legal Officer K.B. Stewart Alderodi stated that the payment remittance company Ripple declined the settlement that was provided by the SEC. This statement was made in response to the offer that the SEC made to Ripple. The altcoin will likely undergo a correction according to the on-chain measures of XRP. An optimistic view for 2024 is contingent on the outcome of the SEC litigation and the possibility of Ripple's first public offering. The specifics of the SEC settlement offer from 2020 have been released by Ripple's chief legal officer. In the year 2020, Alderodi provided the payment remittance company with information regarding the settlement offer made by the United States banking regulator. Ripple's chief executive officer stated that before the filing of the case, the CC made an offer to the market to announce that XRP is a security and to provide market players with a brief window of opportunity to come into compliance. Ripple declined the offer for two reasons. First, XRP is not a security, and second, the SEC has never developed a framework for crypto compliance. Both of these reasons convinced Ripple to decline the offer. It is the contention of Alderodi that Ripple wished to demonstrate that XRP is not a security in and of itself. Regardless of the spin that was put on the litigation by former officials of the Securities and Exchange Commission, a pessimistic perspective on altcoin is revealed by the on-chain measurements of XRP. The on-chain measures of altcoin indicate that the price of XRP is most likely going to undergo a subsequent correction. Ripple whales, who already had between 10 million and 100 million XRP tokens, added 360 million XRP to their holdings over the course of the past week. The amount of XRP that whale wallets hold ranges from 10 million to 100 million. Sentiment is the source. The addition of XRP worth $220 million to whale holdings is not normally considered to be negative behavior. On the other hand, when this is taken into consideration alongside profit-taking operations that are documented by the network realized profit class measure, it becomes clear that large wallet investors are experiencing profits in XRP. And that's it. For now, please don't forget to support our channel by hitting the like and subscribe button, so you will be notified whenever we post a new video like this. Thank you and see you in the next one.